Today, I will share with you, using our new Zhaga 18 socket JL710 to easily replace the NEMA standard socket. Now let's start. This is one of our NEMA 3-pin sockets, JL200. Now, I will remove the NEMA socket and try to replace it with one of our Zhaga sockets, JL700. Obviously, the JL700 Zhaga socket cannot directly replace the NEMA socket, and there is a significant difference in product diameter between the two. For this reason, LONGJOIN has specially developed and designed a new type of streetlight controller socket, which can easily replace the NEMA standard socket while meeting the Zhaga Book 18 standard interface.